Breaking news coming in. Now, speaking on the Mumbai children hostage incident, the Mumbai police has now stated police recovered an airgun, petrol, inflammable rubber solution and lighter from the studio in Powai, where the children were kept hostage by Rohit Arya. Powai police has invoked sections 109, 140, 287 of BNS 2023 against the now deceased Rohit Arya. Investigations have been handed over to the crime branch. The recoveries from the spot have been sent to forensics. I have my colleague Unaiza Gaidia joining me with more details. Unaiza, we have been tracking this story since morning and there have been new details that have emerged. What more can you tell our viewers?
In the morning, the forensic team from Mumbai Police Department has reached at the spot. While there's also simultaneously Rohit Arya's body has been sent for the post-mortem in JJ Hospital, where the post-mortem is going on right now. I'm talking about at the spot. The forensic team has reached and they found out. Inflammable things like petrol and lighter, and there are some chemicals also, so which was inflammable. So now the forensic department has picked up that the pieces of the samples of all these things, and it has been sent for the investigation to find out whether it was really inflammable, whether it was really a petrol, whether it was really a chemical, and a lighter. So these things are very necessary to find out and give the confirmation for the investigation further in this case, because they want to find out whether he had planned things, whether he was actually about to do it, or he had some different plan. And also, here I would like to mention here that police is investigating this case, and like in his video also, he mentioned that he is not alone. There are many people involved with him, and if this won't work out, something else will come, in the future. So police is investigating all that points. Also, he's trying to join the dots, whatever he spoke of. Rohit Arya spoke in his video before committing this crime. So all these things, police are on it, and right now, talking about forensic team, yes, the forensic team has collected all the articles from the spot, and now this case has been transferred to crime branch, since it's a now it seems that it's a, very delicate and high profile case, and there were 19 lives were involved. So the police department has handed over everything to the crime branch, and now from here the crime branch will take over this case, and they will start their investigation in a different, taking all the angles very seriously about Rohit Arya's background. They will check his background, and now his social media accounts also been investigating. These officers are checking his phone records also, like previously Rohit Arya, whom he spoke to, and what was his plans, and they're trying to find out each and every details about Rohit Arya, and trying to find out the links between the cases, and the police, the local police, Powai police has handed over this case to the crime branch, and now crime branch will start a fresh investigation in this case, collecting all the, of course, all the evidences from the spot, from forensic, from till now, whatever happened, like talking to hostages, his previous records, his phone records, his social media accounts, his friends, his family. So we're getting this information that later on in this case, of course, the police will investigate his family also, So these things are in pipeline, but right now his postmortem, Rohit Arya's postmortem is going on in the Mumbai's JJ hospital, and currently everybody is waiting for his postmortem reports. And then at the spot also the forensic team has collected all the evidences, particles, and has given it to for investigation, and of course the police department has found out inflammable articles on the spot in the room where Rohit Arya has kidnapped these children, and he has also made it very it was his plan that he has installed CCTV cameras, and there was an alarm also set in the premises that nobody, if somebody reaches at that spot, he'll come to know about that there's something wrong going against going him, and he has actually put a tap on everything and every activities, and now police is investigating all those details about that CCTV, about the alarm, and every detail, and please and now every details has been handed over to the crime branch. Now crime branch will start a fresh investigation in this case, and try to find out the background of Rohit Arya, and
All
everything,
right,
every minute.
Aniza, thank you for joining me with all those details. And now